Nikon is secretly building a camera that could be the most exciting retro mirrorless ever made, and the leaks are finally here. The Nikon ZF2 rumors are circulating all over the internet, and what's rumored inside this classic-looking body might genuinely shock you. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Something big is coming from Nikon. Insider sources, rumor sites, and camera analysts have been dropping hints, and right now the leaks point to one camera: the Nikon ZF2. In this video, we're breaking down every single leak and rumor circulating in the market right now, spec by spec, so by the end. The original Nikon ZF dropped in late 2023, and honestly, it was a game changer. It had the soul of a vintage film camera, but the power of a modern full-frame mirrorless system. Photographers fell in love with it instantly. Creators couldn't stop talking about it. It became one of Nikon's biggest success stories in recent memory. And when a camera does that well, you already know what comes next. The community started asking questions, forums lit up, rumor sites started digging, and by mid-2025, the leaks began surfacing. Multiple insider sources and camera analysts started pointing at the same thing: Nikon is building the ZF2, and if these leaks are even close to accurate, this camera is about to take everything people loved about the original and push it to a completely different level. The biggest Nikon ZF2 leak is the new 24.5 megapixel FX partially stacked CMOS sensor, reportedly similar to the powerful sensor inside the Nikon Z6 III. Compared to the original ZF standard BSI sensor, this new design could deliver much faster readout speeds, enabling faster burst shooting, smoother video, and reduced rolling shutter. And that's only part of the story. Leaks also mention Nikon's next-generation Xpeed 8 processor, which is expected to improve autofocus, subject tracking, color science, high ISO performance, and advanced video handling. Together, these rumored upgrades suggest the ZF2 could be far more powerful than its retro design might suggest. Now, this is where the leaks get really interesting. Because according to the spec sheets that have been circulating online, the Nikon ZF2 is allegedly going to support 6K at 60 frames per second in NRAW format, 4K at 120 frames per second in ProRes RAW, and full 10-bit internal recording. Let that sink in for a second. We are talking about a retro-styled camera with classic dials and a vintage body, allegedly packing video specs that professional hybrid shooters dream about. Leak sources are essentially saying Nikon is positioning the ZF2 not just as a photography camera, but as a serious hybrid tool for creators who want both worlds in one body. Now, is every single one of these video specs going to make it to the final product? That we don't know yet. But what multiple sources do agree on is that internal RAW video at some level is almost certain, because even the Z5 II already supports 4K RAW. The ZF2 not having it would actually be the bigger surprise at this point. And now, the leak that arguably has people the most excited: the autofocus system. According to insider reports from sources, the ZF2 is expected to actually surpass the autofocus capability of the Z6 III. Yes, you heard that right, not match it. The leaked spec sheet points to a 273-point autofocus system powered by AI-based subject detection, covering faces, eyes, animals, birds, and even vehicles. Leak sources are also claiming burst shooting speeds of up to 20 frames per second in RAW and 60 frames per second in JPEG. To put that in perspective, the original ZF maxed out at around 14 frames per second with a far more basic subject detection system. If these autofocus leaks are accurate, the ZF2 transforms from a beautiful lifestyle camera into a genuinely versatile shooting machine, capable of handling portraits, street photography, wildlife, and fast action, all in that same iconic retro body that made people fall in love with the original. Let's talk about what the leaks are saying about the physical side of the ZF2, because this is where things get really interesting for people who love the original design. According to circulating spec sheets and analyst predictions, Nikon is keeping the retro body design completely intact. The classic top plate dials, the vintage curves, the textured grip areas, all of it is reportedly staying. And honestly, that makes perfect sense. That design is exactly why people bought the original ZF in the first place. But underneath that familiar shell, the leaked specs suggest some serious hardware upgrades. The electronic viewfinder is rumored to be jumping to a 5.76 million OLED EVF, which would be a massive leap over the original ZF's 3.69 million viewfinder. The rear screen is allegedly staying as a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, keeping that clean retro look from the back. And leaked concept sketches suggest Nikon may also refine the ergonomics slightly, possibly a deeper grip and better button spacing, without ever breaking that vintage aesthetic that made the ZF so iconic in the first place. Now the big questions. When is the Nikon ZF2 coming and how much will it cost? According to multiple leaks, the most likely announcement window is September 2026, which fits Nikon's typical 3-year upgrade cycle since the original ZF launched in 2023. As for pricing, rumors suggest around $2,699. That's higher than the original ZF, but the rumored upgrades could easily justify the increase while still keeping it below Nikon's flagship models. Now, before we wrap up, let's be completely honest with you, because not every leak circulating right now carries the same weight. And as someone watching these rumors closely, here is the real breakdown. The leaks that feel most credible right now are the 24.5 megapixel partially stacked sensor, the Xpeed 8 processor, the improved AI autofocus system, faster burst speeds, and the retro body design staying intact. These particular specs are consistent across multiple independent sources, and they align perfectly with Nikon's known roadmap and product history. That's what makes them feel reliable. Now on the other side, the extreme video specs like 6K 60p RAW, fully matching the Z6 III, the dual CF Express and SD card slots fitting inside that slim retro body, and the GNSS satellite positioning system. These are the leaks that need a little more caution. Not because they're impossible, but because they face real engineering challenges that haven't been fully explained by any source yet. The ZF body is famously slim. Fitting all of that hardware inside without compromising the design would be a serious task for Nikon's engineers. So here's the honest takeaway. The core of the ZF2 story is well supported: a retro body, a next-generation sensor, a smarter processor, a significantly upgraded autofocus system. That much feels real. The more ambitious specs, we watch and wait. And that right there is every leak and rumor circulating about the Nikon ZF2, broken down completely and honestly. A next-generation sensor, a smarter processor, AI-powered autofocus that allegedly surpasses the Z6 III, serious hybrid video capability, all wrapped inside that iconic retro design that made the original ZF one of the most loved cameras Nikon has ever made. If even the core of these leaks turns out to be accurate, the ZF2 is not just an upgrade, it is a statement. A statement that you do not have to choose between a camera that looks incredible and a camera that performs at the highest level. Nikon might be about to give you both. September 2026 is the window the leaks are pointing to, and we will be tracking every single update as it drops. So if you want to be the first to know the moment new leaks surface or an official announcement comes, hit subscribe right now and drop a comment below. Which leaked spec of the ZF2 has you the most excited? Let's talk about it. I'll see you in the next one.